Alright, let's settle this once and for all. TiviMate versus OTT Navigator. It's like the battle between the cool, easygoing guy at the party and the overachiever who's trying to tweak every little detail. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll know which one's right for you. No spoilers, but it's definitely not a tie. TiviMate is sleek, it's fast, and it just works. No need to break out the manual. It's designed for people who want a straightforward, cable-like experience without the hassle of setting things up. Think smart TVs, Android boxes, and remote-friendly navigation. You load it up, and boom, your favorite channels are organized, your program guide is there, and switching channels feels like you're switching between apps. Want more? Go Premium and you get multi-view, recording, and a better playlist management. Setup takes just a few minutes and everything's smooth. It's a click and go of IPTV apps. Now if you're the type who likes to dive deep into settings, OTT Navigator is your playground. This one's for power users who love customization. You can change the buffering, adjust the decoders, build filters, hide channels, you name it. It's compatible with M3U, Stalker, custom APIs, the works. But here's a catch, it's not as sleek as TVMate. The interface can feel a bit messy, especially if you're new to IPTV. If you're into tweaking everything and squeezing every drop of control, OTT Navigator's got you covered. So if you want simplicity, smoothness, and a polished interface, go with TVMate. It's the best option for most people, but if you're a tech geek who wants to control every detail and don't mind the clutter, OTT Navigator is your tool of choice. Both have their place. It's all about what fits your style. Make the choice that's right for you and thank me later.